Is now back in the honorable Jason. Maybe see me.
Court does call the case, People versus Winslow Teague.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Always a pleasure to see you. Robert Ellman with and on behalf of Mr. Teague, who's approaching. Mr. Teague, can you please state your name?
Winslow Teague. All right. And you're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor. I was just appointed late yesterday. I need time for discovery.
All right. All right. I'll adjourn the probable cause conference in this matter to September 11th.
Just have one moment, Your Honor. I apologize, Your Honor. I do have a conflict at that time.
September 4th.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be here on other cases anyway, so that's perfect.
September 4th, 2025.
Have a great day.
You do the same.
I'll tell you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Kyrie Raymond.
I only said on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender in an Apple hearing on behalf of Mr. You know. You state your name for the record, sir.
Kyrie Raymond.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. We did not have discovery as of yesterday. I believe that was sent over they informed me it was being uploaded to our system, but I haven't had a chance to review that with my client.
That's correct. We sent everything over yesterday morning. Except the 911 call, which is over.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Fine, continue.
Call.
Call case, People versus Emmanuel Rhodes. Oh.
Mr. Rhodes? Oh, Mr. Rhodes, come on.
I guess you would have known that had you been.
We were working together.
No, you don't need to explain. Yeah.
And Your Honor, I am going to ask for an adjournment of this. Sorry, this is Mr. Rhodes' phone.
Here comes the video evidence, arguably the star witness in modern trials, because cameras don't forget, even if people do.
Yes, it's broken. Well, this is the first time I've been able to communicate with him regarding anything. He does have his order of fingerprints present. I don't know if you want him to provide that to your clerk or.
They can provide it out front.
Okay. But other than that, we're asking for a 2-week adjournment for mitigation purposes.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you my cards back there. I'll tell you what.
Court calls case, People versus John Riggs.
Have to call this for people.
Oh, it's Warren Green. I'm back. Mr. Riggs. Mr. Riggs, could you please state your name for the court?
John Riggs.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment at this time. Our social work staff is working on mitigation. They're awaiting medical records at this point.
You're awaiting medical records. How soon are those going to get to you?
Your Honor, I think it will be in the next 2 weeks.
September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court does call the case of People versus Alexa Rushing.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Earps with and on behalf of Ms. Russian, who's present via Zoom.
Ma'am, if you can unmute, state your name.
Sorry.
Thank you. State your name.
Alexa Russian.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm respectfully requesting an adjournment. I did provide some additional information to Ms. Douglas, so we are in more discussions about how to resolve this case.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond continued. Court calls
Thank you.
case People versus. You're welcome. Court calls case people versus DeAndre Cersei.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Serps with and on behalf of Mr. Searcy. Mr. Searcy, can you state your name for the record?
How you doing?
I'm doing okay, so.
Your Honor, we'd respectfully request that this be set for preliminary exam.
Okay. Discovery is all complete.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
And would the people have their witnesses available the 26th?
I'm looking down, Your Honor. We will try for that day. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination will be set August 26th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Bond. Court calls case people versus Armisha Shaw.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Shaw, who approaches.
This is key. Prosecution wants to show intent. Defense will argue accident. In legal battles, intent is everything.
Ms. Shaw, can you please state your name for the record?
Armisha Shaw.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, to my knowledge, all discovery in this case is complete. We were just asking to set for preliminary examination.
People have their witnesses available the 26th.
Can we go to the next date, Your Honor, please?
No. All right. September 2nd, any objection from defense?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'll set preliminary examination September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Bond.
That'll be here in person on the 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right. What do you got?
Court calls case people versus Derek Shipman.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sasha White on behalf of Derek Shipman, who should be appearing by Zoom.
I'm here.
We had a whole conversation. Okay. We are
Your
adjourning.
name, sir?
Derek Shipman.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. We are adjourning to
You're
negotiate.
off. Just take a breath. You'll be all
I'm
right.
good. I just got back from vacation and they had me. Okay, we are,
She had to work.
I know, we asking for an adjournment for further negotiations.
Your Honor, we had actually reached an agreement in this case. We had adjourned to do the plea today. Not sure if the plea form is available. It had been sent, so do we adjourn just to do the plea next time? I think we have reached an agreement.
Oh, that's right. You should agree on this model? Yeah. Okay, we need to adjourn so I can speak with the prosecutor.
So there was an agreement already reached, you think?
I have just come in on this case, so I wasn't originally assigned to handle this case today, but I picked it up. And my understanding is there was a plea form that was sent to resolve the case today. So
To counsel, not to us.
yes,
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Mr. Gaddy, it looks like.
Okay, so he may still be out, so that might be the delay. So let me put this over. If it's an agreement that may be reached, I'll make it the 28th. So we'll adjourn it out 2 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
And I'll send
So-
that to Ms. White right now.
August 28th, 2009 a.m.
Yeah.
All right, Bond will continue. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls case people versus, is it Uni Singletary?
Ashley Feltus for the people.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Ms. Singletary. Ms. Singletary, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Uni Singletary.
Your Honor, I've been in discussions with the people about a potential HIDA resolution in this case. We'd ask for an adjournment so that we can discuss further and make the proper filings if we need to.
That's correct, Your Honor. I've got one video still coming from Eastern Michigan University Police Department that I'm having a little bit of trouble getting disclosed, so that's also.
All right. Well, we shoot for then September 4th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, Ms. Singletary.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Leilani Smith.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Finally, the first witness steps up. This is where stories collide with evidence. Buckle up.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, she'll eventually get here.
Stephanie Cannon. On behalf of Ms. Smith, Your Honor, we're simply asking for an adjournment on this matter for mitigation purposes.
Provide information, have provided, what are you?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm just trying to see who to send mitigation information to based on situation and circumstances. And so I just, no, and so my apologies, Your Honor.
September 4th.
That will work perfect, Your Honor. Thank you.
I know, because it's at the
Yes, yes.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you.
9
Thank
a.m.
you.
September 4th.
Yes.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Emmanuel Sneed.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Sneed, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Sneed, will you state your name for the record?
Emmanuel Sneed.
Got it.
Thank
Got it.
Oh.
Okay.
I have one.
All right, what are we doing?
Judge, we are waiting some video discovery. I'd ask for an adjournment for that purpose.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Bond continue. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Danielle Stewart.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Danielle Stewart, who's making her way to the podium. Can you state your name for the record?
Danielle Stewart. I
And
want to apologize for the way I'm dressed before we start,
Why?
because this my shorts.
You're fine. You're okay.
he said you are.
But I do appreciate it. But you're just fine.
Your Honor, we're
Did she
asking.
yell at you about that?
No.
I was polite.
No.
No, but did she? Okay,
No.
not yell. Did she like try to have a conversation with you about it?
Yeah, she just informed me that I wasn't dressed appropriate for court, which I understand. So I just want to apologize for my appearance before we started.
She's so nice.
Ah, the setting. Forget high-speed chases. This showdown takes place in the most American of battlegrounds, the grocery store parking lot.
I like her attorney. So, she is so nice, very respectful, and
Your Honor, we're
you
still,
ought to take a lesson.
you know,
Oh, right. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
you see,
I do appreciate it. All right, what are we doing?
we're still awaiting discovery in this matter, so we're asking for an adjournment.
Adjourn it to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. All
Okay,
right, thank you.
thank you.
Court calls case People versus Michael Stone.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Ballinger on behalf of Mr. Stone. I offered to cover this case, Your Honor, with the understanding and impression that the client would be here and we'd be asking for
Wow,
an
you
adjournment.
sound a little bitter, so. Wow.
They set me up for
I
failure.
don't know who gave you the case, sir. Wow.
They set me up for failure, Your Honor.
Yes, because they're not here.
My impression was that Mr. Michael Stone was going to be here today.
Yep.
All right, so I would be asking kindly, respectfully for an adjournment, Your Honor.
bench warrant will issue for
Oh,
defendants
come on.
to appear. Bond will be $10,000 cash or surety. I won't have that issue until the 19th that you're covering.
Thank you.
Why don't you can try to figure it out.
That's gonna be September 13th.
You know what?
I'm sorry, did you say? Now I forgot the date.
I'm sure you did. No, you're always just pushing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Jeffrey Thompson.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerbs with and on behalf of Mr. Thompson, who is approaching. Mr. Thompson, can you state your name for the record?
Hi, my name's Jeff Thompson.
Thank
Your Honor, we just be requesting an adjournment. We're going to engage in some plea discussions to resolve this case.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Shaquise Tillison.
Ashley Feltus with people. Tillison, you're on.
Yes.
Thank you.
Stephanie Can on behalf of Ms. Tillison. Ms. Tillison, your correct term, please state your name for the record.
Shaquise Tillison.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for a brief negotiation, or I'm sorry, a brief adjournment in this case for negotiation purposes. I do believe this is your first time here? The first time for this case, so.
No, this is my second time
Second time.
here. Yeah.
Ms. Tillison is having communications issues as well, but I've gotten new information for her, so we should be able to work out. some
Work
stuff.
out. Okay. September 4th,
So right above my-
2025, 9 a.m.
Okay, here, go back here.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
you.
You're welcome. Bond continue. Court does call the case of the People versus Vershawn Vincent.
Ashley Feltus with people.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah, on behalf of Mr. Vincent, but not with Judge.
Okay.
We've had communication over the last several days. He was informed that he needed to be in person today. We have a resolution worked out. Unfortunately, he informed me that he received a medication this morning, and that he is unable to make it to court. I believe he gets a shot regarding his mental health, and he received that this morning, and he's not able to make it to court.
I see. Are you reasonably assured that that's kind of what happened, or?
I will say previously, I know that he receives mental health treatment in Detroit. I know that he has some mental health issues, which is why we've reached a resolution that we did in this case. That I can say. As for whether he got it today, I'm relying on my client's representation.
I'll give an adjournment unless there's an objection from the People. I'll adjourn it to August 28th, 2025.
Thank you,
I
Judge.
don't know why I have a tendency to believe what Miss Apple was saying, unlike with Behringer.
Something. Thank you.
September 28th or August 28th?
August 28th, September 28th. Good. Yeah, now you're getting just like him.
My objection was noted. You're
Yeah,
fine.
yes,
Thank you.
your
You're gonna
objection,
saw it on my
that's
face.
noted.
Okay.
Court calls the case, People versus Jeremiah Williams.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ashley Feltus with people.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Williams, who is appearing to my right. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Jeremiah Williams.
And Your Honor, we are asking for a two-week adjournment for plea negotiation purposes.
During the matter to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, that's it. Needed someone.
You're gonna leave, that's it for you?
That's it.
Are you sure?
No, but.
All right, thank you. Hoping that's it. Court calls the case, People versus Ilian Woods.
Ashley Feltus with people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Ileana Woods. Now, I did speak with him today. I believe he's appearing by Zoom.
Oh,
He told me he's having
no,
trouble.
hang on, I got him, but Ilian Woods,
You can hear me?
yeah, you have a camera?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm wrong because he's muted, but I can
Can you
hear
hear
him.
me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Or can
Oh,
you
there
see
you
me?
are.
Can you see me?
Yep, we see you. You're good. Okay, what are we doing?
I can't see him. That's
My
okay, as
connection
long as
kinda
you can
bad.
see him.
No, I can, there he is.
Okay. Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. Apparently, there's some discovery that we have been asking for from our office. I will get it to the person we've been talking to. Isn't available. So we will, I will,
September 4th. September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. That's it for that block. Mr. Simon, can you approach on a brief plan?